Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the top 8 foods that can help you lead a healthier lifestyle. These foods are not just nutritious, but also incredibly delicious. Listen, I'm not having it. Healthy food can be exciting, flavorful, and something you look forward to every day. So let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Welcome to the Health Plate, where healthy living meets delicious eating. Let's make every meal a celebration of good health and great taste. First, we're talking spinach, kale, rocket, the lot. Packed with vitamins and minerals, they're your one-way ticket to a healthier you. Second, berries bursting with antioxidants will have your heart singing like Pavarotti. 3, don't underestimate these bad boys. Packed with healthy fats and protein, they'll keep you going like a marathon runner. 4, whole grains fueling the fire. Whole grains are the backbone of a good diet. They are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These grains, such as wheat, oats, barley, and quinoa, play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. They help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a steady source of energy that lasts throughout the day. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases, like heart disease and diabetes. So, next time you plan your meals, remember to include these powerhouse grains to fuel your body and keep you energized. 5, fatty fish. Dive into brain power. Salmon, tuna, mackerel. Get these omega-3 powerhouses on your plate for a brain and heart that's in tip-top shape. 6, legumes, plant-based power. Lentils, beans, chickpeas, packed with fiber and plant-based protein, they're a delicious way to fuel your day. 7, yogurt, gut check. Live cultures, probiotics, gut health, yogurt's got it all. It's like a spa day for your insides. 8, avocado, creamy, dreamy, and good for you. Avocado, it's the good kind of fat. It's good for your heart, your skin, and it tastes bloody brilliant. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us, exploring the vibrant world of fresh ingredients and outdoor cooking. There's nothing quite like the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones in the great outdoors. Now you've got no excuse for serving up bland, boring rubbish. Incorporate these ingredients, experiment with flavors, and let your creativity shine. Fresh herbs, colorful vegetables, and aromatic spices can transform any dish into a culinary masterpiece. Taste your creations, share them with friends, and watch as smiles light up their faces. Food has the power to bring people together, creating unforgettable memories.